It got to the point where I couldn't go shopping without holding on to the shopping trolley. I couldn't go out and walk with my husband anymore. We used to walk to the beach, walk down the beach. I couldn't do that anymore. My world was just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. It's frustrating and it's just I don't know, it's just a low. You just feel so low. I don't think I could have got any lower.
Clara's hip replacement story.
It was Easter Sunday morning, and I'd put my phone on, and I don't know what I was looking for, but the video came up of Candy. And as I was watching her video, I related to her so much. And I said to my husband, I need to go. I need to go here. I said, I cannot do it anymore. I cannot get through months of waiting and waiting and waiting. It's not on. So he said, yeah, we'll do it.
However, Clara and her husband decided that she would travel to Lithuania alone.
Everyone round me was saying, are you doing the right thing? You know, you're going out on your own. Yeah, I'm going on my own. Will you be all right? I said, be fine. And I don't think people, I don't think people can understand that pain can get you to the stage where you have to do something. Everything has just been so smooth. No worries. The Carlos that I got in touch with on the internet put my mind at rest. You have a car waiting at the airport. We send you links over for the airplanes for coming straight out to us. And it was just so simple. I would recommend it to anybody.
Just before the COVID-19 pandemic, Clara overcame another serious test, cancer. The accompanying stabbing hip pain did not break this woman's spirit. We could see her optimism and cheekiness during post-op physio.
Hip pain, which sometimes appear in the end of the rehab, it's sometimes because of me.
I blame you then.
Yeah.
I thought it was a Porsche.
This is one of the kind, Porsche. Lift the pelvis, more. Now hold. Till the song's end.
No, I don't think so.
No. Just hold it for 10 seconds and 10 times, okay?
Okay. I call him V, but yes, he's a slave driver. But in a good way. He pushes and pushes you, but that's the only way to get the best results, to be fair. And he makes me laugh.
Physio is said to account for more than 50% of surgery success. How does Clara assess the operation itself and the surgeon?
He explained it so well that I didn't worry. I didn't worry at all. Even to the aspect of, you walk down to the operating theatre, you walk into the operating theatre, you get on the operating bed, and I felt completely at ease. I didn't feel hesitant or anxious. I was just, we're here, let's get it done. The pain relief is instant. Operation, pain gone. It's fantastic. It is, I can't tell you, it's just, it's fantastic. Pain drove me here. And the fact that once I'd seen the video and saw the facility, the gym, the doctor, the surgeon, it was a birthday present wrapped with a bow. That's how I explain it, because that's what it was to me. Today is a week since I had my operation, and I am on 2 feet, 1 crutch, which I don't need it all the time, but I'm getting there. And then this morning we got in and out of car. So yeah, it's
This is before leaving?
this is my husband, very handsome man.
Yes, of course.
For 75. Hello, darling. Soon be home. Better be running around that garden. See you Sunday.